All right, so this one says the number line shows record low temperatures for 4 states. And right here in the bottom, we can see the temperature of 4 different states kind of mapped out. So Hawaii is set at 12 degrees, so it's at the 12 degree mark. North Carolina is at negative 38, so it's down here at the negative 38 mark. South Dakota is down here at the negative 58 mark. And then Montana is also here in the very bottom at negative 70 degrees. So we got the biggest numbers on top, which is 12, and then we got the next biggest, which is 38. Then the next biggest, negative 58, and then the smallest number out of all of them is negative 58 or negative 70. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of all that so we can kind of not get distracted by this. All right, so let's read the question. It says, enter the difference in degrees between the record low temperatures in Hawaii and South Dakota. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. To start off with, difference. Tell me right now, what does the difference mean in math? What operation is difference? Is that addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Hopefully you said subtraction. So it's saying, enter the difference, which is subtraction, between the record low temperatures in Hawaii and South Dakota. All right, so it's just asking us to subtract the temperatures of Hawaii and South Dakota. Well, if we go ahead and look at our chart, I'm going to go ahead and highlight Hawaii, which is at 12 degrees. And then we also have South Dakota, which is at negative 58 degrees. So let's go ahead and write that out. If I do the difference of the temperature between Hawaii and South Dakota, I should have, well, Hawaii, that's 12 degrees. So I'm going to say Hawaii is 12 degrees minus South Dakota, which is at negative 58 degrees. All right, so now we've got 12 minus negative 58. Kind of something tricky to work with, but we do know of something to help us solve this. Does anybody remember? And by anybody, I mean you, the person that's watching this video, since I'm not in class. Hopefully, you are coming up with something. Maybe you might have remembered something called the keep, flip, change method, also referred to KFC, which helps us with subtraction problems. So how does it work? Well, the way it works is you're going to go ahead and keep the first number, flip the second, and then change the last number. So this is how it works. Keep the first number the same. Go ahead and turn that negative. So here, let me make note of it. These are negatives. Let's go ahead and change that. So we kept it. Let's go ahead and flip the negative into a positive, and let's go ahead and change the negative 58 into a positive 58.
You got this.
All right. So at this point, we've got keep, flip, change. We've got 12 plus positive 58. And so what's 12 plus 58? If you work it out, you should get 70.
Don't ignore me.
And so the answer is 70.
Please.
And it looks like it matches up with the key. So we know we got it right. All right.